Hey there, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Recently I bought this 2017 Yamaha TTR 230. And you know when you buy a bike and somebody may have put stickers or decals on it, or maybe you bought it brand new, and there's some annoying stickers and decals you want to get rid of? Well, that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. I'm going to show you how to remove stickers from a motorcycle. Okay, here's the sticker I want to remove on the front fork of my bike. So what I'm going to use is a heat gun. Now you can use a hair dryer or a heat gun. The heat gun, you want to put it on low heat and hold it, 8 to 12 inches away from the sticker. So I will start applying the heat to it. And you can feel it getting hotter. You just touch it, make sure it's not getting too hot. You don't want it to get too hot, just enough so you can peel it back. Now if it was a square sticker, you could peel it from a corner. This one here is oval, so I'm just going to grab it from either this end or this end. And just wait to see it get heated up. Feel it. It's warming up. I'm holding it probably only 3 inches away at the moment. Now I'll give it a pull with my fingernail. You gotta move your hands so you don't burn it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a little more heat on that. Okay, I'll give it a try now. See, now I'm getting I got an edge up, and I'm just going to pull evenly, and here it comes. I'll grab this piece here. It's coming off pretty decent. I have a couple other pieces here. You can see there is some glue residue from the sticker left over. So there, it came off pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use Goo Gone. Now some people have used WD-40. I've seen people do that, but I use Goo Gone. And what I'll do is I'll put a little bit on a rag, first of all, like this. And I'll saturate a small portion of this rag, and then I'll take the rag and I'll just, wherever that glue residue is, I'll just get a little bit damp, and then I'll just start wiping. And there you see it come out really good. Then I'll grab a dry part of the rag, wipe it all down. And there you see, the sticker is all gone. Looks really good. So, quick recap, heat gun on low heat or a hair dryer on high heat. Hold it back a few inches away from the sticker and then start to peel back from a corner, or as in my case, just the end of the oval sticker. And then to get the glue residue off, all you need to do is grab some Goo Gone. That's what I used, or some WD-40, and saturate a rag a little bit with it and just tap it on there lightly, and then just wipe it down, and it'll all be looking good as new. So now I got rid of that ugly sticker that I didn't want on there. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial on how to remove sticker from your motorcycle helped you. As you can see, it was pretty simple. Really easy to do, it doesn't take long at all. So again, thank you. Please subscribe below, like the video if you liked it, leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.